welcome back. This is a dance called Power of a Woman. It's choreographed by myself and Cody Flowers from Florida. The music is Power of a Woman by Drake White. It is 32 counts, 2 walls. It does have 2 tags and a restart. So here we go, let's get into it. Kind of a West Coast swing feel, nice and smooth. Leading with the right foot, you're going to rock forward on your right foot, 1, recover the weight onto the left foot, 2. You're going to make a half turn to the right, stepping forward on that right foot, and then you're going to step forward on your left and pivot a half turn to the right. So the count for that is rocking forward, 1, recover, 2, and step forward on the left foot, 3, half turn, 4. Weight should be on your right foot. Let's try that again together. Right foot, ready, and rock, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Weight on my right foot. I'm going to make a quarter turn to the left, stepping onto that left foot, sweeping the right foot around on 5. Cross that right foot over on 6. I'm still facing the side wall. I've just over-rotated my body. I'm going to make an 1/8 of a turn to the right, stepping that left foot back and step the right foot next to left, count 7, and then step forward on your left foot, 8. What was that? We just finished a pivot turn on 3, 4. I'm making a quarter turn to the left, sweeping on 5, crossing 6, then stepping back left and close 7 and step forward on the left foot, 8. Let's see if we can add that on from the top. Rocking forward on the right foot. We did rock, recover, and pivot, half turn. Quarter sweep, cross right, back together, step forward. Let's try that again with a count, shall we? Here we go. Right foot, ready, and rock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, sweep, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Weights on your left foot. I'm facing the front diagonal at 10:30. We're going to do some pivot turns, a half chase turn with the right foot. I'm going to step forward on 1, pivot a half turn to the left on and step forward on that right foot 2. I'm going to do the same with the left foot now, but I'm going to make a quarter turn to the right. So I'm going to step forward on the left foot, quarter turn to the right, so I'm facing the back diagonal, and then step forward on my left foot. So some chase turns, a half one first, 1 and 2, left foot, 3 and 4. Weights on that left. From here, I'm going to rock forward on 5 and 6. I'm rocking forward on the right foot, 5, recover the weight left and step back on that right foot, 6. So we're rocking forward like a mambo, 5 and 6. I'm crossing that left foot over right on the and count, and then we go basically holding the 7. I'm stepping back on that right and making a half turn to the left. So I'm stepping back on the right, half turn to the left. I'm now facing this front diagonal. What was that? Okay, so we did a mambo forward, stepping back. So I'm rocking 5 and 6, crossing the left and hold 7 and 8, stepping right, left. Let's try that again together. Rocking forward, you're going 5 and 6 and 8. Right foot's rocking, 5 and 6 and 8. You should be facing the front diagonal at 1:30. Yes, no, maybe? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, what did we do? We went from the chase turns. Let's try it from there, okay? So we just stepped forward on that left diagonal. Weight is on the left foot. Right foot's going to do a half chase turn. The count is 1 and 2, quarter turn, 3 and 4, rocking forward, 5 and 6 and 8. Let's see if we can add that on from the top. You're halfway through. Here we go, leading with the right foot. Ready, 7 and rock, 1, 2 and pivot, 3, 4, quarter 5, cross 6 and 7, half a chase turn, 1 and 2, quarter, 3 and 4, rocking, 5 and 6 and 8. How'd you do? Pretty good, right? Let's do it one more time from the top. Power of a Woman. Rocking forward, ready? And rock, 1, 2 and pivot, 3, 4, quarter 5, cross 6 and 7. Here's your chase turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rocking 5 and 6 and 8. I'm here now facing this front diagonal with the weight on my left foot. I'm going to square up to the front, so making an 1/8 of a turn. I'm going to rock my right foot to the right side. 1, 2, recovering the weight onto the left. I'm going to start a turn here, kind of an 1/8 of a turn. I'm basically doing a sailor step. 3 and 4, but I'm ending with that right foot crossed in front, okay? So I did a side rock, 1, recover, 2, sailor, 3, and 4. I'm going to continue now, making a further quarter turn to the right to face the back diagonal, doing a weave. The left foot's going to step to the side, right foot's going to cross behind, so I've just made an 1/8 of a turn there. Left foot steps to the side, right foot's going to cross in front, another 1/8 of a turn. Okay, so we have a side rock to the right, 1, recover, 2, sailor step, 3, and 4. Weave behind, and 5, and 6. I'm going to step out, out, ball, cross. Left foot's going to step out to the left side, right foot steps to the right side. I am on the balls of my feet there. Step down on the left and cross my right foot over left, facing the diagonal at blah, blah, blah. 4:30. Okay, so let's try that section. In the lyrics on one of the walls, he says, she can cuss like a sailor. So that's where you're doing the sailor step. So I'm rocking to the side, 1, 2, sailor, 3, and 4, weave, and 5, and 6, out, out, ball, cross, and 7, and 8. Let's do that one more time. Rocking to the side, ready, and go, 1, 2, sailor, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes, no, maybe? Should we try adding that on? That came after the chase turn, so I did the rock step, back, cross, ball, step, and I'm really rocking that right foot to the side, to the front, 1, 2. And when I'm doing that side rock, I do like to over rotate my shoulders all the way to the left. Okay, so I'm rocking 1, 2, sailor, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Rocking forward on the right foot. Ready? 7, 8. Rock, 1, 2, and pivot, 3, 4, quarter, 5, cross, 6, and 7, 8. Chase turn, 1 and 2, left foot, 3 and 4, rocking, 5 and 6, and 8. Square up, 1, recover, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6, and 7, and 8. I'm almost facing the back, and I am going to make an 1/8 of a turn, stepping my left foot to the left side, 1. I'm going to do behind, quarter, side. I'm going to cross the right foot behind, make a quarter turn to the left, stepping that left foot forward, and then step the right foot to the right side. Okay, so we've got heavy steps here. I'm stepping to the left on 1, behind, 2, and 3. Cross that left foot behind and make a quarter turn to the right. You should be facing the back with the weight on your right foot. That little section, you are facing the back of the room, you're on the diagonal, you step your left foot to the left side, 1, behind, 2, quarter, side, left, behind, quarter. One more time with the count, that is the left foot going 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Weights on the right, I'm going to rock forward on my left foot, 5, recover, 6, make a half turn to the left on and, stepping forward on that left foot, and then finish with a pivot turn. Right foot steps forward, pivot a half turn to the left. So very similar to the beginning of the dance, okay? That last little section is rocking forward on the left foot, 5, recover, 6, and 7, half turn, 8. And then you're going to start with the right foot rocking forward and pivot, half turn. Yes, no, maybe, you're done. That's the end of the dance. There is a tag to learn. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's take it from the side rock. So halfway through the dance, weights on your left foot, right foot rocks to the side on 1, recover, 2, sailor step, 3 and 4, weave, and 5 and 6 and 7, and the left foot goes side, behind, quarter, side, behind, quarter, rock, recover, and pivot, half turn. Did you do it? Good. Let's try it from the top. Power of a woman. Here we go, leading with the right foot. Ready? 7, and rock, 1, 2, and pivot, 3, 4, quarter, 5, cross, 6, and 7, 8, chase turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock forward, 5 and 6, and 8, side rock, 1, recover, 2, sailor, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, stepping side, behind, quarter, side, behind, quarter, rock, recover, and pivot, half turn. You should be facing the back with the weight on your left foot. Are you there? Good. Let's do it again from the front, and I will count it all the way through this time before we try a second wall. Here we go. Right foot. Ready? 7, 8. Rock, 1, 2, and 3, 4, quarter 5, cross 6 and 7, 8, chase 1 and 2, chase 3 and 4, rock 5 and 6 and 8, rocking 1, 2, sailor 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, left foot 1, 2 and 3, 4 and rock 5, 6 and pivot 7, 8. Lots of turns, but hopefully not too tricky. Rewind if you need to. Let's try the second wall. So you're facing the back, weight is on your left foot. We're going to rock forward on the right. Ready? 7 and rock 1, 2 and pivot 3, 4, quarter left, 5, cross 6 and 7, step forward 8, half a chase turn, 1 and 2, quarter, 3 and 4, rocking forward, 5 and 6 and 8, to the back doing a side rock, 1, recover 2, sailor, 3 and 4, weave, and 5 and 6, out, out, ball, cross, left side, behind quarter side, behind quarter rock, recover and pivot, half turn. That was very slow for that second wall, but I wanted to make sure you were comfortable where you were in the room. Let's try it again facing the back and see if we can start again straight away. Here we go, right foot, ready, and rock 1, recover 2 and pivot 3, 4, quarter 5, cross 6 and 7, here's your chase, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8, rocking 1, 2, sailor 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, left foot 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, begin, rocking 1, 2 and pivot 3, 4, quarter 5, cross 6 and 7, here's your chase, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rocking 5 and 6 and 8, side rock 1, 2, sailor 3 and weave, and 5 and 6, out, out, ball, cross, side 1, 2 and 3, rocking left on 5, pivot turn and start again, rock 1, 2 and pivot 3, 4, quarter 5, cross 6 and 7, here's your chase turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8, squaring 1, 2, sailor 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, and I think you've got it. Well done. There are 2 tags at the end of the second wall and at the end of the fourth wall. Both times the tags begin facing the front and end facing the front. So you just finished with your pivot turn. You're about to rock forward on your right foot to start the dance. You do rock forward on the right foot, 1, recover 2. But this time for the tag, you're gonna make a half shuffle to the right, 3 and 4. From here, you're gonna do a chase turn with the left foot. So we're gonna step forward on the left 5, half turn and step forward on the left foot 6. And you're gonna do 2 walks forward, right, left, 7, 8. And we like to make those kind of like a prissy walk, especially in one of the tags, he says power of a woman. So we're really kind of sassying this out if you're a lady or a guy, whatever takes your fancy. Okay, so the tag, 8 counts at the end of the second wall. It's rock, recover, half a shuffle, step, turn, step, walk, walk. With the count, the tag is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Begin the dance again, and 3, 4. So that's the end of the second wall, end of the fourth wall. Then immediately after that tag on the fourth wall, you did your 2 walks forward, you begin the fifth wall, but you're only going to do 16 counts of the dance. Okay, I'm going to show you what that looks like. You do your chase turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. You're going to restart the dance here. So you've got to make that extra 1/8 of a turn to start the dance again. Let's do that fifth wall one more time for the restart. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, chase turn, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8, restart, 1, 2 and 3, I think you've got it. That is Power of a Woman. Just a few little tips and notes for the musically, things that stand out or technique. Okay, as I'm rocking forward on this right foot, I am turning to the right, so I do want to prep my upper body to the left. 1, here we go, 1, 2, and 3, 4. This is a nice sharp turn. So again, I've finished by following through that turn, shoulders back, and so I can swing this around on 5, 6, and 7, 8. Your chase turns here, make sure you're staying on the balls of your feet, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And again, I've over-rotated my body instead of making it just about footwork and crossing here. I've really rotated my upper body to go 5 and 6, and my hips are almost facing this way, and 8. Here in the music on the chorus, he sings, high was that word, okay. I'm a dancer, not a singer. Okay, so as I do that, I like to send my hand up. 1, 2, if you want to, 3 and 4, especially when he sings that. Again, I mentioned being on the balls of your feet here, up, up, down, down. This is a nice strong step. I'm lifting that toe off the floor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and that's it. Okay, and again, sassy out your tag if you want to. Power of a Woman, choreographed by myself and Cody Flowers. We look forward to dancing it with you soon. Bye.